2026 IMT 4500 is a powerful return to the classic button mobile experience, designed for people who value simplicity, durability, and long-lasting performance in their daily life. This phone is built with a strong and solid body that feels comfortable in the hand and gives confidence from the very first touch. The compact design makes it easy to carry in any pocket, whether you are traveling, working outdoors, or simply going about your routine a day. The keypads are fully designated with raised buttons that provide excellent tactile feedback, making typing messages and dialing numbers fast and accurate even without looking at the screen. The display of the IMT 4500 is clear, bright, and easy to read, offering sharp text and icons that reduce eye strain. It performs well in both indoor and outdoor lighting, ensuring visibility under sunlight as well as in low-light environments. The phone interface is smooth and straightforward, allowing users of all ages to navigate menus effortlessly. Calling and messaging are fast and reliable, with strong signal reception that ensures clear voice quality even in areas with weak network coverage. One of the strongest features of the 2026 IMT 4500 is its battery life. Designated to last 4 days on a single charge, this phone is ideal for users who do not want to worry about charging again and again. Whether you use it mainly for calls, SMS, or basic daily tasks, the battery delivers consistent performance and reliability. This makes it a perfect choice for travelers, workers, elders, and anyone who prefers a dependable phone without unnecessary features. The IMT 4500 also includes essential functions such as an FM radio for entertainment, a bright torch light for emergencies, and useful tools like an alarm, calculator, and calendar. The loud and clear speaker ensures you never miss a call or message, even in noisy environments. The ringtone volume is strong, making it suitable for busy workplaces and outdoor use. The phone supports dual SIM functionality, allowing users to manage personal and work numbers on a single device with ease. Durability is a key highlight of the 2026 IMT 4500. Built to withstand daily wear and tear, it performs reliably in two conditions. The sturdy construction protects the phone from minor drops and impacts, making it a trusted companion for long-term use. This phone focuses on what truly matters: strong calls, long battery life, easy usability, and dependable performance. In a world full of complex smartphones, the 2026 IMT 4500 stands out as a simple, honest, and practical button mobile. It is designated for those who want peace of mind, reliability, and a phone that just works without distractions. This device proves that sometimes less is more, offering everything you need in a phone without unnecessary complications, making it a perfect choice for everyday communication in 2026. If you want, you can also create a title and description with emojis, YouTube voiceover style, or even longer cinematic storytelling version. Just tell me.